This is a short video on adding an auto-dimming rearview mirror to my '88 Lincoln Town Car. The mirror I use is a Gentex 455. I bought it on the internet for $20, but this mod can be done with any Gentex and in any car. You really only need to run two wires to the mirror, one that carries power when the key is in run, and a ground wire. You can also run a third wire for reverse sense, which forces the mirror to be undimmed when the car is in reverse, but I didn't bother with this. On my '88, I found a run wire behind the glove box. It was white with a purple wire, but it could be a different color on your car. And I grounded it on the glove box frame nearby. Alright, what I've got right now are two wires, red and black. They run down the A-pillar. Black gets grounded to here. Red joins this wire here, which carries 12 volts with the key in accessory or run. So with both of those run up the A-pillar, then across to the mirror, I'll have an auto-dimming rearview mirror in the '88 Town Car. Key is currently off. Accessory. Off. Run. My mirror included a compass, which calibrated itself after driving around the block once. The info displays also come in different colors, red, yellow, and teal as far as I know. I randomly got the teal one, which happens to perfectly match the town car's factory lighting.